All right, seniors. Here's what we got going for Tuesday, April 14th. First, make sure you complete the April 14 Do Now assignment. Get that done today by 2 p.m. It's an easy 5 points, and it's also the way we keep track of attendance. Second, once you finish the Inside documentary, take the quiz. You'll find that quiz in the assessments folder. Pretty simple, only a few questions. Do your best. There are 2 attempts on it. Third, complete that quiz, by the way, isn't due until Thursday, April 16th. So you've got a couple days. Third, complete the Chapter 2, Section 3 assignment, also due Thursday, April 16th. It's about command economies, focusing on Russia. And that's it. So our next video conference is on Wednesday, April 15th. Haven't seen very many people from this class. I'd love to see you, especially those that need help. And always contact me if you need anything. You also see below here the assignments list, so you know where you are at for this class. Okay, right here, this fella right here. All right, have a great day. Hope to see you guys soon.